Students, open your workbook revision. देखो देखी ड्र ए लाइन अंडर द बेस्ट आंसर गोटे सेंटेंस रो कोटा हबो ता तीनटा ऑप्शन देखी ता जोटा ठीक ता तळे गोटे अंडरलाइन करिवो. Will you give me some ink please? Yes. Here it is देची, there देची, is it देची, कौन हबो? Yes, here it is. कर देलो. Next, how old are you be next year? How old are you be next year? Then question number 3, have you finished? No, but I have almost finished. Question number 4, they did not like the picture. Did they? No, they didn't. Underline color didn't tole. He helped his sister to clean the room. When will she write the letter? She has already written it. दो जना नहीं करा तले. Have you ever लगी वाटी have लगी see saw seen भीतर कोड़ा बा seen. Have you ever seen lightning? Jacob is the oldest boy in the school भितरे. Jacob is the oldest boy in the school. Understand? Question number 9. A cup holds less milk than a glass. Question number 10. If it rains, we stay indoors. Then open the next page. Write each sentence in another way. Do not change the meaning. You are given the beginning of each new sentence. Here is a book which you can read. Here is a book for you to read. देखो here is a book which you can read. Rewrite this sentence without changing any meaning. Here is a book for you to read. The meaning of this first sentence and the meaning of the second sentence are same, but the pattern of the writing the sentence is different. Understand? Question number 2, Mrs. Saha said, you may go to library, children. Join the two sentences into one using let. In previous class, you have already taught about it. Mrs. Saha let them go to the library. Question number 3. The teacher said to the girl, please find the book for me. The teacher requested her to find the book for him. Question number 4. Don't worry, Anu, said Miss Sen. Miss Sen told Anu not to worry. The question number 5. The red book has more pages than the blue book. The blue book has fewer pages than red book. Understand? Question number 6. An aeroplane is faster than a car. Vice versa, a car is not as fast as an aeroplane, or a car is slower than the एरोप्लेन लिखले भी चलो. ए कार इज स्लोअर देन एन एरोप्लेन. Tom worked better than David. Tom did not work as good as David. David did not work as good as Tom. It is not raining now. It has stopped raining. Now it is not raining. That means the rain has stopped. There were lots of chairs in the room. There was a large number of chairs in the room. Without changing any meaning, we can write the sentence in different way, in different pattern. So you complete it, then turn the next page. Write answers to the questions using yesterday. When we using today, it is the present tense. आजी आजी आमे कौन करुछु किंतु जेतेबेला आमे यस्टरडे करिबा गतकार इट इज पास्ट. यस्टरडे मीन्स इट इज पास्ट, चाली जाइछि. जेतेबेले आजी जो कामटा होउची बा हबो बा हुए टुडे, बट यस्टरडे मीन्स कामटा सरी जाइछि. तेणु यार वर्ब जहाँ थिबो यस्टरडे आम जो वाक्य यस्टरडे जोड़ा से भार्ब कौन हम भार्बटा V2 फॉर्म हो. टुडे बेले V1 फॉर्म थाए, यस्टरडे जोड़े आम V2 फॉर्म करती. फॉर एग्जांपल टुडे आई गो टू कटक. टुडे आई गो टू कटक. हियर आई इज द सब्जेक्ट, go is the V1 form, to CTC is the complement. Same sentence, when we put to in yesterday instead of today, yesterday I just V1 converted to V2. Yesterday I went to Cuttack. Yesterday I went to Cuttack. S plus V2 plus C. Like this. When did you get the letter? I got it yesterday. Did plus get. Did plus get, got. That means did plus V1 is equal to V2. V2 भितर किए को ऑक्सिलरी पसी did अच्छी आउ V1. Do you understand? When did you hear them? I heard them yesterday. Okay, you complete it. Question number 1 to 16. Next page. Answer the questions using the words given in brackets. What has she bought? Some new clothes. She has bought some new clothes. What has she bought? What has she bought? She bought some new clothes. It is the answer. What has she bought? It is the question. She bought some new clothes is the answer. Then, what is the teacher writing them an exciting story? Sorry, she is telling them an exciting story. Okay, like this you may complete it from 1 to 12. Okay.